Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Dentistry at its best. Today I am going to continue with my previous video, that is about the nose and nasal septum. So now I will be talking about the nervous innervation for the nasal septum and the lymphatic drainage today. So coming to the lymphatic drainage of the nasal septum, we have two parts in the nasal septum, that is the anterior half and the posterior half. So the anterior half of the nasal septum drains into submandibular nodes. The lymph of the the nasal septum drains into the submandibular nodes in the anterior half, and the posterior half drains into the retropharyngeal and deep cervical nodes. It's very easy, just remember this thing, two words. So anterior half drains into the submandibular nodes and the posterior half drains into the retropharyngeal and deep cervical nodes. That is what you have to learn in the lymphatic drainage. That's all. And also guys, do remember, in any exam, draw as much diagrams as it's possible for you guys. Even if you don't just write, just make the diagram, and trust me, you will get lot of good amount of marks. Okay, like I really did that in my oral pathology exam. For what happened was that I was short of time, so in 2 questions I just drew the diagram and labeled it properly, and I hardly just wrote 2 or 3 lines, and I hope I got good marks in that. So now coming to the nerve supply of the nasal septum, we will be doing this in 2 parts. One is the general sensory nerves, okay, and the other is the special sensory nerves or the olfactory nerves. So the general sensory nerves, again we have to divide the nasal septum into 4 parts like I did in the arterial supply. So again, anterior superior, anterior inferior, posterior superior, posterior inferior. Just remember that thing. So now coming to the anterior superior part of the nasal septum. Now it is supplied by the internal nasal branches of anterior ethmoidal nerve. Do mark it, internal nasal branches of anterior ethmoidal nerve. That is the area which is supplied by the internal nasal branch of the anterior ethmoidal nerve, anterior superior part of the nasal septum. Now coming to the anterior inferior part of the nasal septum, it is supplied by the anterior superior alveolar nerve. Okay, anterior superior alveolar nerve. That is the nerve which supplies the anterior inferior part of the nasal septum. Now coming to the posterior inferior part, okay, the lower part, it is supplied by the nasopalatine branch, mark it, nasopalatine branch of the pterygopalatine ganglion. Okay, it is supplied by the nasopalatine branch of pterygopalatine ganglion. And mark this thing again, it is the main nerve innervation of the nasal septum. So nasopalatine branch of the pterygopalatine ganglion, it is a main nerve which supplies the nasal septum, and it is supplies in the posterior inferior part of the nasal septum. Okay, now coming to the superior part. Yeah, posterior inferior part is supplied by the nasopalatine branch of the pterygopalatine ganglion, and posterior superior branch, that is, now I will tell you, it is supplied by the medial, posterior, superior nasal branches of pterygopalatine ganglion. I know it is quite tough to remember, but just write it down and write it as many times as you want. It will really help you in remembering all these terms. So posterior superior part of the nasal septum is supplied by the medial, posterior, superior nasal branches of pterygopalatine ganglion. That is all for the sensory nerve supply of the nasal septum. Now coming to the special sensory nerve, that is the olfactory nerves. These are confined to the upper part of the nasal septum or the olfactory area. That's it. Like I told you in the beginning, in the last video, that the upper 1/3 of the nasal cavity is lined by the olfactory mucosa. So in that area only we have the olfactory nerves, which helps us in smelling. Okay, that is olfactory, as you know, it helps in smelling. It is the term used for smell, so it helps us in smelling. So that is all for the video today, and yes, your nasal septum is finished in these two videos. In the next video, I will be talking about the lateral wall of the nose. It will be consisting all the bullae and everything. So I will be telling you about that. And do mark it, nasal septum is a very important topic for the exam, and also the lateral wall of the nose is also very important. So I will be reading it, studying it, and I'm going to post a video on that. So I hope you guys like this video. So kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel Dentistry at Best on Instagram and Facebook, and also on YouTube. And do comment if you like the video, and do comment whatever topics you want to discuss with you. And in case of any doubt, just DM me on my Instagram page. Maybe I will send you a video on that, or I will, if I have many queries, I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Have a great day, guys.